Okay, looking at the CFS runs, this is for August. This is winter hints, but I'm gonna just go over the entire run basically. So, yep, this is the temperature runs for August. Like I said, this is looking pretty. They're confused, but I can tell you right now, it's looking like that it's gonna be cold in the east, more dominating, just because of the fact that we've got this really warm air in here. Holy crap, warm air in here. I think that's just going to push us cold east in one of the upcoming runs, probably. Let's look at the sea surface temperatures. Holy crap, it's having an aneurysm. Okay, let's go back. I guess I agree with this. It's hard to forecast summer precipitation just because of most of it's isolated. So, oh crap, what did I do? Oh, there you go. Most recent run. They really are forecasting like not a lot of tropical weather in here. That's always good news. Let's go ahead and go into September. I don't know how I feel about this one. Like I said, usually when you see this warmer air in here, that would usually push the cold east. Really just seeing a confused run here. Okay, now I'm not even gonna look at, well, I guess I will look at the precipitation. And really no tropical weather in here. September. Let's go ahead and check out October. Another confused run. It's getting closer to realistic. Usually you wouldn't see the warm air, you wouldn't see a southeast ridge, but I mean, always possible. We just gotta look at everything. Let's look at November, most recent run. Again, I don't know what they're thinking with the whole like warm everywhere thing. So really overall with the fall forecast, I don't agree with anything. It starts getting a little more realistic as we get into December, where it's warm in the east, cold in the east, warm in the west. Because usually you don't see both overall, unless it's really just like all over the place. January, I have to agree with this because, and this is exciting to me because they do have some problems with this like huge cold air mass right here. And then cold in Alaska. I don't know what I think about that, but I do think that if we see the cold in Alaska, there's not going to be warm here. If we see warm here, we're going to see warm in Alaska, typically. Also, there's not going to be cold here. So really just mixed mass, but I see what they're trying to say. Also, now let's look at February. Really warm February. That's what they're forecasting. March, and then a cold March. I don't know. And they're really getting at this like whole like cold everywhere kind of thing. Like they don't put it like in a traditional pattern, which is kind of weird. But I mean, I don't know. They're really dry. They are going for basically a dry and average temperatured winter, which is obviously bad news for most of us here in the east, because if you can see there's very dry temperatures. Let's see February. I watched there be above average precipitation. Yep, above average precipitation in the warm month. What do you know? I just don't know how I feel about this most recent CFS run. So. Like I said, I don't really know what to say. Interesting. Very interesting, that's all I'm gonna say. And then again, let's look at the 500 geopotential heights. Very interesting. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys. This has been my winter hints looking at the CFS. Yeah. Anyway, see you guys later. Thanks for watching. I'll come out with a new video if anything else interesting happens with the model or my thoughts on the winter, basically. Anyway, see you guys later. Thanks.